Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to create OK Social Network account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go to your OK Social Network website or download the application from your App Store or Google Play Store. And once the application is downloaded, launch the application on your phone. Now you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. Now click on the sign up button. Here you can skip this part. And now you'll be asked to enter your mobile number and your specific reason for it. Enter it. And then you'll receive a verification code via SMS or email depending on the information that you provided. Enter the verification code in appropriate field, then tap Next. Now choose a secure password and confirm it. Next, enter your basic information about yourself, your first name, your last name, date of birth, and gender. And once you're done, select the Continue button. So yeah, congratulations, you have successfully created an OK Social Network account. Now you can upload a profile picture and provide additional information about yourself, such as your interests, education, occupation, and location. You can also connect with your friends who are already using it or invite them to join you on the platform. So this was the tutorial on how to create an OK Social Network account. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.